Hey amigos, and I'm back. I'm booting up my Windows 11 installation because I'm ready for this challenge. I'm so ready. Today we're installing Vim and Man-pages. And here we are, and over here we're going to type in, do I remember my password? I think I do, so I'm gonna try it. And I do remember my password. It's kind of hard for me to get used to this. And today's goal is installing Vim. So let me turn on my screen fetch application. I think it was Karnak. Karnak. Um, is it an executable? Is this a program or an installation? I'm not sure. I'm gonna assume this won't install Karnak again. Oh yeah, it's working. That's the application. That's the application. And if I type something, type something. Yep. But that wasn't the position. I don't want it so low. So let me tweak this a little bit. Let me tweak it a little bit. This thing, I want it like from the bottom. From the bottom. How can I move this? I forget how to move this. Should I drag this thing from? Oh, yeah. I have to drag it a little bit. And no. I don't want to save it. I want to last longer, 7 seconds. And I save it now. And I save for some, let's type something. Type something. And I did. I think I save this and I close this. And let's open up Google Chrome and let's start downloading Vim. And over here, mate, I'm going to, I don't like Google. Let's go to Yahoo. Let me tweak this. Settings. Yep. Settings. Search engine. I don't want this. DuckDuckGo. Would you allow me to use DuckDuckGo? Would you? Would you? I want to use this one. Okay, it's marked as default. Can I just delete this one? Thank you. I mean, like, thank you. And let's get the DuckDuckGo plugin. Okay. Okay, here it is. And duck. Oh, sorry. Duck. DuckDuckGo.com. This. So let's make this as private as it gets. Add to Google Chrome and let's go like, oh sorry, add extension. Let's go full screen with this. And do I have to restart the browser? No, it's still checking. Do I have to restart the browser? I hope I don't have to restart the browser. And let's close stuff. Good. So let's look up for Vim for Windows. Vim for Windows. So today, that's the first goal we're going to try to check out of our list. And here we're going to the main page, bing.org. What do we have over here? This page can be improved. It looks like this is the styles of the 90s. Yeah. Maybe the 80s actually. Okay. I guess I didn't see this, but I don't see anything. Oh, PC. Oh, PC means, oh yeah, PC means Windows. I forget about that. Okay, I'm gonna try the first option over here. The first option. And the download is ready. The download is ready. Please open up. I would you open up? Oh, over here. Where is it? Smart green can be reached right now. What do you mean by this? I want to run this. Yeah. English is okay. Next. I accept the terms and license agreement. Next. I'm not going to bother reading that. Next. Next. Install. I don't want you to read me. I just want to over here. Vim. Oh, look at this. It looks so familiar to me. I think we can check this one out of our list. And let's shift and say let's put like a command ls and exclamation. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Where are we right now? Let's edit here. Not forward slash, is actually backslash, not the pipe, the backslash. Yeah. And here, Vim test. Hello. Oh, sorry. Insert now. Hello world from Vim, and we say normal mode and shift double sit. And where should be that located? Let's find out. What in the world? I think I only need one icon. Let's eliminate those two. And we're going to browse our files to see where was that written. Documents and this PC. What is the home folder? Desktop. Now I want to go What is the home folder here? What I mean by the home folder, like uh, the user folder. I want to go. Let's go to the local disk, and now we say user jack. This is my home folder, and here we have Vim test, and let's open with this one. Betty Beautiful. Betty Beautiful. Do we have Vim Tutor? First, how can I open up a terminal? I mean a command prompt. Let's ask the internet about that.
So a couple things you could try here would be to right click on the start button and then select run. Type in CMD and then select OK.
Really?
This is not a non-administrator command.
They are still using the CMD command? That's so like Windows XP. Come on, Windows. I mean, like, come on.
Command line window. Otherwise, if you want to open up a command prompt with administrator permissions, open up the magnifying glass search icon and type in CMD. Best result should come back with command prompt. Right click on it and select run as administrator.
Really?
Alternatively, you can also select run as administrator. Goodbye.
Wow. That's so Windows XP. Wow. I remember when I used to well, here between you and me, I used to crack games, because I couldn't afford buying them, so I just have like the crack version, and I used to use the command prompt from time to time, back when I was a Windows 11, now Windows 11, like Windows XP user, Windows 7 user. Thing that I don't recommend anybody to do. Like, I'm not, I'm not proud of that behavior. I don't like that anymore. And let's type over here CMD. How can I pin this? Pin to start. Did it happen? Nope, it didn't. Pin to taskbar. Yeah, way better. Well, it's not like once you pin it down, yeah. So I just click over here, and here I am. And does LS work? Is LS a thing over here? No, it's not. It's not. Is PWD a thing over here? No, it's not. Okay. Okie dokie. Can I type in like help? Okay, this does something. CD might be something here. CD here. Okay. Can I beam here? Okay. It's not a command. So I have to assume there is a learning curve for the command prompt for a Linux user. And let's go with the next thing. Next thing is at least Vim's working, so the next step is installing Man-pages. Since I don't know any commands on Windows 11, I think we're going to let that for the next video. So we're not going to check that out of our list in this episode. On the next episode, maybe.